Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer shelf in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new freezer shelf. The freezer shelf is located inside the freezer section. It allows for an additional storage space. The main reason to replace the freezer shelf is if it's corroded or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer shelf, we need to lift up the front end and slide it out. This is the old freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to install the freezer shelf. Slide it in. And these two little tabs goes into the grooves here, locking the shelf into place. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.